back to my channel. This is Ashley. So today we're going to be doing creamy prawn pasta. You can have the store-bought pasta if you would like, but I just like mine fresh and homemade. So I'm just going to use my own fresh and homemade pasta here. So now without wasting time, let's get to cooking. So on medium heat, you want to place your pan. So I'm just going to add butter. You want to have your prawns ready, and then this is paprika, garlic, pepper and salt. So I'm just going to drizzle that in and just toss that around, and then I'm just going to toast into the pan. Leave this just for a minute. Do not overcook because they'll be dry inside. Then flip them over for another minute. So you now want to flip this over. It's been a minute. So they are deveined, so I didn't have the hassle to devein them. But if you want a tutorial on how to devein prawns, they are light crisp as you can see. So we're just going to leave this for another minute until they are well cooked through. Take this off and put it aside, and we're gonna bring the pan back. So without washing off the pan, and add milk, and then we're gonna add cheese. So in terms of extra seasoning, I'm just going to add a pinch of parsley. As you can see, it has come together, and so what you want to do is to remove it immediately and set aside. Pop your pasta in there, and if you have homemade pasta, that's great. If you have store-bought pasta, that's great. Just cook as directed on the package and you still have good pasta. It's nicely cooked. If you want it chewy, you can like undercook for at least 1 minute or 30 seconds. So with our sauce back on the stove, add the pasta and add the prawns, and then mix that together. You guys, this divine masterpiece is everything. So now what you want to go to do is to go plate. So let's get to it. This is the moment of truth. We're just going to straight into tasting and see if this is worth it. You guys, this is nice. Oh my god. So have you guys made something and you just be like, wow, this is the best dish I've ever made. This, I'm going to be uploading videos 3 times a week, and I'm going to be consistent on the uploads. So just stay tuned and stay hungry, because I'm just going to be delivering most appetizing foods ever. And if you have any recipe that you want me to make, just comment down below. I will definitely do that for you. And just don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You know, sharing is caring. Don't forget to share this video. Tell your friends, tell your families, and tell whoever you have or you want. And I'm just going to keep on uploading delicious food. Yeah. So, bye.